In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the currency on Vrbo so you can view vacation rental prices in the currency you're most comfortable with. This is really helpful if you're planning an international trip or just want clearer budgeting. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. This can be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any browser you prefer, and go to the Vrbo website. Once the homepage loads, you'll notice a clean, easy to use layout where you can search for vacation rentals around the world. Now, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see a small currency indicator. For example, it might show USD by default. Go ahead and click on that currency symbol. When you do, a drop-down menu will open showing a list of available currencies. From here, simply scroll through the list and choose the currency you want. You can select options like EUR, GBP, AUD, or many others. Once you click your preferred currency, Vrbo will automatically refresh the page and all rental prices will now appear in that currency. Just keep in mind this only changes how prices are displayed. Your bank or card provider will still handle the actual currency conversion during payment. And that's it. Now, you can browse listings in the currency that feels most familiar, making it much easier to compare prices and plan your trip. Thanks for watching and happy travels.